Let's make plantain fufu with rice, fermented rice. So this fufu is so healthy that the rice is fermented and the plantain is unripe, and it's so good for those who are looking to diet like me. Those who want to lose weight, yes, I think yes, it will lose your weight because the rice is fermented. So I've soaked up the rice on my own the bowl. I washed it and soaked it overnight. So you can allow your own to soak up to 4 hours, it doesn't matter. So the plantain, I've washed the plantain and now I'm removing the back. After removing the back, I have to chop it up in a cube sizes, because if you don't chop it up and you are blending it, you depending on your blender, it might get stuck. So you want to use knife to chop it up. Now I'm going to set aside in a pot in the blender. Add the rice and the plantain, unripe plantain together. Please do not use ripe plantain. Don't use ripe plantain. So now you have to blend. Now I'm going to pour it inside my pan, and then I'll start using my wooden spoon to turn it. Add water at interval. Make sure you add water so that the plantain and rice will not be too hard for you to swallow. You want to keep turning them and adding water at your own preference. So the same way you make your swallow, that's the same way you're going to do it. And it's so easy to make. Guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and let's grow this channel. And I also have another channel where you can learn your DIY skincare. Look at how it looks like. I will put the link under the description below. And this fufu was so good. You can pair it with any kind of soup of your choice and you are good to go. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, see you soon.